All right, guys, this is Nemo from the Roxy Tattoo and Music Studio in Fort Wayne, and today I'm doing a review on the Empirical Lab PUMP compressors, the 500 series Distressor compressor with a few extra features brought to you from the Arouser. They have the attack mod. From the Mic E, they have the saturation circuit, and it's similar to the Distressor minus the nuke and the Brit mode. Other than that, let's dive into here and see what it sounded like. I have it pulled up on a vocal. Let's give it a test, see what it sounds like. First, this is bypassed.
Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby.
And then
Voir plus que du diamant.
I'll bring it in.
Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens. Sentiment effervescent. Attention, baby. Voir plus que du diamant. Tout ce que je ressens.
So that sounds really good. And you could see at one point there, and actually in the very beginning, I was somewhere around, 20 to 23 dB. Yeah, I'm actually very excited to have these. If you guys are interested in them, then you can purchase them from Sweetwater, just like I did. Thank you.